Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're searching for the best rimless 5-gallon desktop fish aquarium kit, look no further. Today, we're diving into the ultimate setup for small space aquarists, the 5-gallon glass small fish tank starter kit. It's a sleek, rimless aquarium that offers not only aesthetic appeal but also practical functionality for both beginner and experienced fish keepers. This kit is designed with a minimalist approach, making it a perfect addition to any office desk, bedroom, or living room. The rimless glass gives you a crystal-clear panoramic view of your aquatic habitat. It measures just the right size to fit into small spaces without feeling cramped, yet it provides ample room for your betta fish, guppies, shrimp, or snails to thrive. Now, let's talk about the build quality. This tank is constructed with ultra-clear glass that's thick and sturdy, offering durability without compromising on style. The seamless design not only enhances the modern look but also makes it easier to view your fish from multiple angles without any distracting frames or borders. Included in the kit is a powerful but quiet internal filter that keeps the water clean and fresh. It's easy to install and even easier to maintain. This means less hassle for you and a healthier environment for your aquatic pets. The circulation is gentle enough for delicate species like bettas, ensuring that your fish won't be stressed by strong currents. Lighting plays a huge role in any aquarium setup, and this kit delivers. It comes with a top-mounted LED light that mimics natural daylight. The illumination is bright and even, making your fish and plants stand out while also promoting healthy plant growth if you choose to go the planted route. Whether you're aiming for a lush aquascape or a simple setup, this lighting gives you a lot to work with. The tank also includes a sturdy transparent lid that reduces evaporation and keeps curious pets or debris out, while still allowing easy access for feeding and maintenance. It fits snugly and doesn't distract from the sleek look of the tank. What's also impressive is how beginner-friendly this kit is. You don't need to be an expert to get started. Everything is straightforward, from setup to maintenance. It's truly a plug-and-play solution for anyone entering the world of fish keeping. Just add substrate, water conditioner, decorations, and your fish, and you're ready to go. From a design perspective, this aquarium blends into any environment. Whether you have a tech-heavy desk setup or a cozy minimalist vibe, this tank acts as a living piece of decor. Watching your fish swim calmly through the clear water adds a relaxing, almost meditative element to your daily routine. If you're a beginner looking for a high-quality, complete setup, or even a seasoned hobbyist seeking a stylish nano tank for a new project, this 5-gallon rimless kit checks all the boxes. It's compact, efficient, and beautiful, everything you want in a small aquarium setup. To sum it up, the 5-gallon glass small fish tank starter kit is the best rimless desktop aquarium kit in its class. With its clean design, quiet filter, effective lighting, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a top-tier choice. You're not just buying a tank. You're creating a calming, living display that enhances your space. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another top pick.